Hi there, Dori Sukup here with the July Inspiration Moments. We are now to the Dori Recommends segment. Well, in the Dori Recommends, I want to share with you the importance of you investing in your business education so you can be the best leader possible. So how can you improve your leadership skills? Well, one of the best ways is to attend our #1 seminar, and that is the Leap Ahead seminar. Listen, I'm not telling you this just to try to sell you. Whether you come or not is up to you. But I have to say that the Leap Ahead seminar is going to give you that solid foundation and that protection that I've dedicated this entire issue to do, from the featured article to the webinar that I did for you. Now is the time, you guys, to really plant those seeds so you have protection against any future disruption. And we're doing something very special for the Leap Ahead seminar. It's going to be virtually, and we are just in the final phases actually of creating the entire platform. It's going to be absolutely amazing. So when you come to the virtual Leap Ahead, you're going to be able to come to a lobby area, and within the lobby area you'll be able to click to the classrooms, to the flying high lounge, to the chat room. You'll have all the modules and all the videos within that platform. It's truly a virtual experience. You're gonna absolutely love it. Now, that's just the icing on the cake. Of course, the best part of the Leap Ahead is the entire blueprint that I go over with you. It's that solid foundation that I want you to implement within your business. So normally, as you know, the Leap Ahead was a 3-day event, but this is the first time ever we're actually taking it virtually. And what we're going to do is divide the content into 12 modules. We're starting the first module in the middle of July. So if you go to InSPArationmanagement.com, you'll be able to see the schedule and all the great things that we're gonna go over. So what we'll do is, with every module, you're gonna be able to get the recording, you'll be able to get the downloadable workbook, and you'll be able to get any tools that go along with that particular section. Now, we are giving away some great bonuses. We're giving away 5 different tools, actually 6 with the marketing plan. And all those are going to be passed out with every single module. And you're gonna have a great platform where if you missed one module because you couldn't make it because of your schedule, you're gonna be able to go to that private page and you'll be able to download the information that went along with that particular module, and you get to watch the video from the actual module. So we have thought of everything. We are giving you everything you need to actually download and use the tools that you need. So you'll be able to adjust your compensation model, make it performance-based. You'll be able to have a budget, so revamp your financial goals right now to be adjusted so you'll have the budget. You'll be able to have the clarity hiring system. You'll be able to have the don't sell, recommend, as well as the blueprint to effective team building. So those are all the tools that you're gonna get. These are all bonuses. This is over $2,000 of bonuses. Now, we're gonna make those bonuses go away as of July 7th. So you've got to go and register now so you can take advantage of all these bonuses. So what will you gain from this? Well, the opportunities are endless. As a matter of fact, we're so confident that you will gain the entire blueprint that you need right now that we guarantee it. It's $1,500 to attend, you guys. It used to be $3,000 to attend in person, right? So now your entire leadership team can actually attend without you having to worry about anything. It's one fee for your entire leadership team. It's a wonderful value. Plus you get all the tools as a bonus. So if that's not a good enough value for you, I don't know what is. So make sure you go register. We only have really few slots. I think our maximum is like 500 people. So make sure you go check it out. We're almost at that count. You do not want to miss this. Again, we have given you all the flexibilities that you need to actually participate and be part of the virtual Leap Ahead seminar. So I'm so excited that I'm doing this. People have been asking me to take the Leap Ahead everywhere so everybody can attend. We are actually reaching people all over the world. We have people literally from every part of the world that's going to be attending this event. I'm just so excited about doing it for you so I can arm you with what you need to have that security for your business. So make sure you join us. Would love to see you, and take advantage of registering before the 7th because those $2,000 of bonuses are gonna go away. So go register and I will see you at the virtual Leap Ahead. So this was my Dori Recommends for this month. Until next time, stay inspired and stay safe and healthy, please. God bless and happy 4th of July.